Hello everyone, I am Rohit and I on behalf of Sierra Society would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in short we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. And today the chapter that I'll be covering is from NCERT Board Class 1, Chapter 4, subject is mathematics, and the name of the lesson is known as subtraction. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as question bank. The main innovation behind using this innovation is to make the students prepare questions out of the chapter that have been taught through teamwork, which leads to complete understanding of the chapter. And also, when the students prepare questions by peer learning, it leads to developing the value of cooperation among the students. Right? Some of the important concepts that we will revise with the help of this innovation are subtraction of numbers from 0 to 20 and learning of numerals from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9. One very important thing that we need to make sure before implementing this idea is that we will be using this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts. So that is, we should have already completed the reading, building, and explaining part of a chapter, and we'll use this innovation only as a means of revising. The duration for this innovation will be 15 minutes. We instruct the students in the following manner. We first of all ask the students to go through a chapter once again to revise the concept about numerals and subtraction, and then we ask the students to prepare questions out of the chapter, a minimum of 10 to 12 questions. Since the questions will be prepared by the students, so it did not be based on concept, it can be directly from the chapter also, right? And the answers to these questions can be either short, long, or explanatory answers, depending upon the uh, depending as the students want. And after giving the instructions to the students, we frame a certain set of sample questions and we give it to the students so that they can get an overview of how the questions, how will they prepare the questions like. For example, the sample questions could be like this. Suppose there are 5 cows grazing in the field and we took 1 cow out of it. How many cows will be there? There are 5 books in a table and Sudha took 3 books. How many books will be there? There were 5 mangoes in a tree and Soma took 2 mangoes out of it. How many mangoes will be there? There were 5 pencils on the table. You took 2 pencils out of it. How many pencils will be there? There were 7 pins on the blackboard. The teacher took 1 pin out of it. How many pins will be there? There were 8 chilies in the garden and Rajiv took 8 chilies out of the garden. How many chilies will be there? Then we can give them sample questions based on the subtraction of numbers like 5 minus 2 is equal to how much? 7 minus 4 is equal to how much? Or there can be missing numbers also like 5 minus dash equal to 2. Fill up the missing blanks, or 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and so on. We give the sample questions to the students, give them time to prepare the questions, and once the students have prepared the questions, we divide the whole class into certain groups. We select a leader out of one group from the each groups, and the leader will be compiling all the questions in such a way that there are no repetition of questions. And when we start teaching the students in this way, when we make the students prepare questions on their own, it leads to a lot of benefits. First of all, when the students will be preparing the questions on their own, it will help in developing the critical thinking and decision making process. When the students will be working in teams, it will help in developing the value of cooperation among the students. They will learn the value of acceptance, and also they will also develop the value of patience. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video, and I'm definitely sure that when you start implementing this idea in your own classrooms, you'll be getting a lot of benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video, and if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe. to our official channel ZIIEI. And also don't forget to download our ZIIEI innovative Pathshaala app from the Google Play Store. That's all for now. Thank you so much.